I actually wish I knew this when I was much younger. I would have been a millionaire a long time ago. Now, today we're going to be looking at millionaire maths, and we're going to be solving how to actually become a millionaire with this simple maths. This is what a lot of people know in their business that is helping them make a lot of money, and you are also going to be learning that today. I'll be showing you how to break that entire thing down. So this is all about smart work plus hard work. Okay, because you want to be combining the two every single time in your business to make you a lot of money. And also, we all have 24 hours in a day, both the millionaires, the billionaires, and both the people who have nothing. Everybody actually have 24 hours in a day. So there's limits to what you can actually do with your time. Now, there's something they've actually made us understand, especially in our life in general, which our revenue generation, the amount of money we get to make, okay, is actually, our revenue generation is actually tied to our time, okay? So we meant to understand that our revenue generation, okay, must be tied to time. That is what we've been taught in the entire school system, all right? And the most important thing we want to do right now is seeing how we can disconnect our revenue generation from time, because time is limited, all right? Time is limited, and we want to make unlimited amount of money. So how are we going to be doing that? The first thing we want to do is we want to build a product. We want to create a product, okay? Now we want to create a product, and the product that we're going to be creating is something that we can actually build one time, okay? Build once and sell infinite, okay? Infinity. Actually, this is the sign I like to use a lot more often now. So we want to build a product that we sell, that we build once, okay? We need to put in our time, our effort into building this product just one time, and we sell it unlimited amount of time, okay? It doesn't run out of stock. It is very important, because if we have a product that we're selling that's running out of stock, we still need to go and restock every single time. And an example of this product can be more of like a PDF, an ebook, okay? It can be more of like, PDF. So the product we're creating is an ebook, which can be in a PDF format, and you can sell it infinite amount of time. It doesn't run out of stock. Now, let's say the amount of money we want to make is $1 million, because that's the ideal amount for a lot of people. Let me say $1 million right here. So in this case, to make $1 million, we want to reverse engineer the entire process, all right? Let me call this reverse engineer. So we want to reverse engineer the process into making $1 million, because this is the ideal amount for a lot of people. And for us to sell this ebook, let's say we want to make $1 million, and to do this, we want to get about 50,000 customers, all right, to buy this. And if 50,000 people buy this for about $20, we'll be making a sum of $1 million. Now, the question you might be asking yourself is, how do I get 50,000 people? How? All right, you might be asking how, because this is the millionaire mindset. Now, the next thing you want to do, which is the next step, is to see how you can turn this ebook, okay, into an online course, a video course plus a coaching community. Okay, so let's call it online course plus coaching community. Online course plus coaching. All right, this is what you want to do. Now, if you turn this ebook into an online course plus coaching community, now you can decide to charge $200. All right, that's, you're increasing the value, because now you are giving people depth. You're taking people into a different experience. You're creating an online course that they can learn from, and you're also coaching them in group. All right, so you can decide to charge $200 for this particular product that you have already. Then you can knock off, because you're making it $200, okay, you can knock off 10, meaning you need to get about 5,000 customers right now. All right, you can see where the math is going, because the value has increased right now. Now the number of customers you're looking for has also reduced to 5,000 from 50,000. Since you might be looking at, 50,000 is a whole lot of number. Meanwhile, your ebook is still selling for $20. Now you are now still selling to about 5,000 people for $200. So now you might be thinking that 5,000 customers is a whole lot to actually get. Now the next step we want to do, okay, is to take it a step further by introducing mentorship to the entire process. So we'll call this coaching plus mentorship. By introducing coaching plus mentorship into our entire process now, we can now add one more zero to this, making it $2,000 by giving people detailed experience, okay, taking them by the hand and helping them get through a particular challenge. Now, by adding one more zero here, we can knock off another zero here, all right, from this 50,000, making it just 500. So we just need 500 people to pay us $2,000 to make our $1 million. Now, this is how it works, okay, with these proven steps. The first thing you want to do is to create an ebook, okay, a product that you can build once and sell infinite amount of time. Now, you can be selling that for $20, like we say. Then to make more money with it, all right, we can now turn that ebook into an online course plus coaching community, as long as it's proven to sell, okay? Then we can now add the value and make it $200, thereby reducing the total number of customers we are looking for. And to take it a step further again, all right, we can now introduce coaching plus mentorship. Now start teaching people one-on-one, holding them by the hand. And we can charge about $2,000 for that, reducing the number of total customers to about 500, making us a total sum of $1 million. Okay, this is the different levels of access you can give to people to get to the destination you are actually heading to. Now, the most important thing you have to understand is you have the same product, okay? Let me say same product. Now you have the same product, but they come, but different price. Let me just put diff price. Now the product did not change in any time, all right? This is the same product, but different price. And the most important thing you're just doing is giving people different levels of access. The first experience you were giving them was an ebook, okay? Let me call this. The first experience was an ebook. The second level of access was an online community plus online course plus a coaching community. And the third access was coaching plus mentorship. And this is the different levels of access that you basically use to make $1 million. Now, once you have this set up, okay, it's easy for you to continue making this amount of money over and over again, because it will be more of like an automated system. So let's do a little bit of recap right here. To enable you make $1 million, now we want to create a product that will create just once and sell infinite amount of time. In this case, it's an ebook. Let's say we want to sell the ebook for $20. This ebook at $20, it means that we'll be selling 50,000 customers. That might be a lot. The next thing we get to do is to create a different level of access, giving people more value by creating it, turning this ebook into an online course plus a coaching community. That time we can now charge about $200 for this, making our total number of customers go down to about 5,000 customers, charging just $200. The next step we want to now go to is turn that course into a coaching plus mentorship program where you get to hold people by the hand, giving them different experience also, okay, because you're now with them all the way, trying to take them from point A to point B. And in that case, we'll now be charging about $2,000, therefore reducing our total number of customers that we're getting to about 500 customers. So 500 customers paying $2,000 will make us $1 million, giving people different levels of access and different experiences. From an ebook to an online course plus coaching community into coaching plus mentorship. The most important thing you need to catch right here is it is the same product, but it has different price. Okay, the product did not change in any time, but it has different price because it has different levels of access. So the amount of time I'll be spending on this might be very, very little or minimal, and you can literally work from anywhere because you'll be offering people mentorship where you're with them along their entire journey. I actually created a course that shows you how to sell high-ticket coaching programs, especially in 2025 and beyond. It is a mini course that you can consume in less than an hour that shows you how to sell high-ticket coaching, and the link will be in the description or somewhere around this video. And it's a mini course that you can complete in less than 1 hour, so go and check it out. So my name is Francis Abogany. That's all for this. I'll be seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.